The next letter that we have is Meem. 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 And here we can see the meme in all three of its forms at the beginning of a word, at the middle of the word, and at the end of the word. And this one is also really fun to write as well. All right, so we'll get into that when you get into the writing section. But here we have 3 examples for meme at the beginning, middle, and end. Madrasa. Look at the way that the meme joins with the da. Madrasa. Madrasa, school. Next we have qamis. Qamis. Qamis is shirt, and it is my example for meme in the middle of the word. Qamis. And finally, our meme at the end of the word in qalam. 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 Pen.